everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see the most favorite street food of India, Pani Puri. It's also called Golgappa. There are numerous ways of making Pani Puri depending on the solid filling and the water filling that goes in the recipe. Today I'm going to show you a basic version that I have tried multiple times and enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like watching my videos. To make the puris, I have used here the ready to fry version available in the market, and I have fried these puris and kept it ready here. This is just easy instead of making the puris from scratch. Then I have here 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes peeled off the skin, 1 finely chopped onions, 2 finely chopped green chilies, coriander leaves and salt as per taste, and some lemon or lime. For the spices, I have here chaat masala, Kashmiri red chili powder and some cumin powder, that's jeera powder. Then some bundi, which is made of gram flour, some save, to make the green chutney, I have taken coriander leaves a handful, mint leaves a handful, 3 green chilies, half lime or lemon juice, salt, dry mango powder and cumin powder, and mix this all together in a blender and make this into a thick paste or chutney. We will use this to make the pani, which is the water filling. You can also use this as a spread on your sandwich. Then I have prepared here khatta meetha chutney, which is sweet and sour chutney. To make this, take a lemon-sized tamarind, soak it for 30 minutes and squeeze the extract out of it. To this, add 10 dates or jaggery if you don't have dates, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon salt, and boil all of this together for 10 minutes, and when it cools down, mix it in a blender. Then we will need half a liter of water. We will start with the recipe by making the solid filling. So I am taking the boiled potatoes and mash them all together. To the mashed potatoes, I'm going to add half of the finely chopped onions, the green chilies and coriander leaves, to this, let's add half tablespoon of cumin powder, jeera powder, half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala. You can adjust these spice powders as per your taste. Let's add little bit of salt and mix this all together to prepare the solid filling. Combine everything together so that the spice powders are mixed evenly along with the potatoes and onions. So I have the solid filling ready. So we will keep this aside and start with the making of the water filling, that's the pani. To make this, I'm going to take the green chutney that we prepared, 3 spoons of it, add it to a bowl and add 250 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and half lime or lemon squeezed to it. add little bit of salt to it again and just mix this all together. The consistency must be very thin, and I've just added some bundi as a topping. And we have reached the interesting part of the recipe to bring all the ingredients together. Take the puris and break the top with your fingers so that you can make a hole and fill in the Pareto filling. So arrange all the puris like this, where you have the solid filling inside. Now on top of these puris, we will add the remaining finely chopped onions. Then add the khatta meetha chutney, which is the sweet and sour chutney. A small portion on top of each of the puris. You can add less or more as per your taste. Now we will add the save on top of these puris. And some of the remaining finely chopped coriander leaves. I have got less here, please add more if you have enough. And this is the best part of the recipe. Now we're going to take each of these puris, dip into the water filling, that's the pani, and just eat it right away. I am eating already while I'm taking this video for you. So take the puri again, dip it into the pani, the water filling, and just eat it. It tastes yummy. It has different flavors. The spice from the chilies, the sweet and sour from the khatta meetha chutney. It tastes amazing. Please do try and let me know if you like it.